Who can make the most money in 24 hours? That is going to be the challenge today, everyone. But as you can see, we got a special guest, Reyes the entrepreneur.
What's up, everybody?
After flying halfway across the country to the state of California, I finally got a chance to meet a YouTube legend I have been watching since I was a broke 15-year-old. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous to meet you. Like, it's crazy that we're finally making a video in person. I've been looking up to you for so long, and this is gonna be a special one because we're gonna go 1v1 and see who can make the most money. So Reyes, you've done all the driving apps, right?
I've done a good amount.
You've done DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats.
Well, not me actually doing it, but following people who have done it.
Okay.
So I do have some experience.
And in your experience, which driving app do you think was the best one?
Uber Eats, for sure.
Really?
Yeah, they made hella money.
Okay. Today, the two we're gonna try are DoorDash and Instacart. So guys, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna flip a coin using my phone, and then you're gonna call it in the air, and if you're right, you get to pick if we do DoorDash or Instacart first.
Heads.
It is tails, so I guess I get to pick. I kind of want to do DoorDash, so how about you do Instacart?
Yeah.
And do you want to start things off then?
Yeah, I would love to go first.
All right, let's do it. Reyes just opened the Instacart app on his phone. He's about to go show us how to get started. Don't we just like click go online right here?
Yes, we do.
All righty, baby.
Here's a question. How long is it gonna take? Oh, look!
You already got an order?
Hopefully.
$11? Oh, damn. So Reyes, for Instacart specifically, have you ever done it yourself or have you only followed people?
I follow one guy.
One guy ever, and did he make good money?
Hell yeah.
Really?
But it takes a long time.
Okay.
Because you're driving to locations and then you have to go find the product.
So you gotta be a pro grocery shopper. We have to get this, they don't have it.
You want an organic? There's no organic ones?
No.
You gotta know where things are. If you don't know where it's at, ask people right away. I think you guys are out of this one. You got anything in the back?
Long story short, Instacart shopping was an interesting experience that definitely takes some time to master, but luckily the first order was an easy one from Total Wine. So guys, the first store we're doing Instacart for is Total Wine. Reyes, you're not gonna buy underage kids alcohol, right?
No, so when you buy wine for somebody, you have to ask for their ID when I drop off.
Oh, okay.
And if they give me any excuse, I have to return it.
To complete the Instacart order, Reyes walked inside the store, immediately asked the employee where the item he needs is found.
That's gonna be down aisle 4.
Aisle 4?
We then went to that section of the store and the item ended up being out of stock, so we asked an employee and luckily they had a couple extra bottles in the back. What are we gonna do now? Bring it to the customer?
Yeah, we're gonna sip them. Yeah.
We're pulling up to the customer's house right now. We're literally going to like a gated community, so this customer's got money.
All right, guys, gonna go deliver this. I'll be back.
So guys, Reyes just completed his first ever Instacart order and pow guys, look at that. He's got so many more orders just waiting in the queue. One for 40 bucks, one for 32.50. The only thing is we're running a little bit low on time. We've got like 20 minutes left, so let's do one of the quicker ones. Which one are you thinking?
This one, $20 one.
Okay, let's do it. This is where things went south. We spent a solid hour inside the store, and by the time we drove the items to the customer's house in LA traffic, we were over an hour and 20 minutes over our time limit. And well, how much did you make in total?
$31.
$31, but it ended up taking us 2 hours and 20 minutes, as I said. So that breaks down to about $13.50 an hour, which in the state of California is below minimum wage. We're gonna keep grinding. It's my turn to do DoorDash, and I think I might be able to make like a little bit more than that. I think I'm gonna do like $17. I just opened the DoorDash app on my phone. As you guys can see all around, it says it's super busy, so we're gonna click Dash Now, and hopefully we can make some cash, baby. You see that? DoorDash on a bicycle. Unfortunately, I forgot to change that from a video I did doing DoorDash on a bike for 12 hours straight, and for that reason, due to the area I was in, we didn't get a single order. As you guys can see, it is currently 2:05 p.m. and I can't even make this up. We did not get a single order from DoorDash. I think that means that Reyes ended up winning this first challenge, so congratulations to you. And now guys, I think for this next one, we're just gonna take all of the money we made on Instacart, buy a bunch of drinks from Walmart, and resell them at Santa Monica Pier. New state, new Walmart, guys. You already know the vibe. We're both gonna head inside now and buy a bunch of drinks to resell at Santa Monica Pier. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be a versus challenge for this, since the original plan was for Reyes to go into Walmart, buy drinks with the money he made, and then for me to go into Walmart and buy drinks with the money I made. But unfortunately, I didn't make anything doing DoorDash. We're gonna head inside with the $30 Reyes made doing Instacart, and hopefully we can buy a bunch of drinks to resell. Let's go. All right, so we're inside the store. We got a budget of $30, and the only thing we need to get inside of Walmart is a bunch of drinks to resell. And the first thing we're gonna get is we're gonna get Coke. They're selling inside the store for $5.22 for a 12-pack. We can resell each of these cans for $1, maybe $2. So let's put it in the cart. We're also gonna get a 12-pack of some purified drinking water. The cost for this is $2.82. There's 12 in here, so we can sell each for $1 and make like 10 bucks profit. Let's do it. So guys, little update. So far we got Squirt, we got Coca-Cola, and we got water. I'm thinking we should get some Gatorade next.
Yeah, and look.
Boom. Let's get one of these. Which Gatorade do you think we should get?
People love the red or the blue.
I'm thinking, ooh, there's some blue down here. Do you want to get some blue Gatorade? There are 8 Gatorades, and the price is $5.78. We got to charge like $2. After checking out all of our drinks and ice at Walmart for a total of $24.45, we walked out of the store and got yelled at by a neighborhood Karen. I'm not filming. We then loaded up a cooler Reyes had previously full of drinks and took it to Santa Monica Pier. All right, guys, it's been a long journey today, but we're here at Santa Monica Pier. As you can see, we got the Ferris wheel and a bunch of people behind me, and we're gonna sell some drinks. Hopefully we can make some money. Do you guys want any drinks for $1? Would you guys be interested in any drinks for $1? Would you guys be interested in any drinks for $1? Slowly but surely, while standing on the pier trying to sell drinks, money started coming in. Do you guys want any drinks for $1?
I'll actually have one, yeah.
Okay. What would we have? Gatorade, Squirt, Coke.
Can I please have a blue Gatorade?
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Right now, I'm thinking $1 is a good price point. Let's keep it up. We already got one sale. We got the money. Let's keep going, baby. You interested in any drinks?
Yeah, I have one Gatorade and one water.
Okay. Would you be interested in any drinks for $1? We've got Gatorade, water, Coke, and Squirt. Coke? Okay. $1? Yeah. Sales from our drink selling venture slowly increased as more people realized we had the lowest prices around. Dude, we definitely charge in way lower than like everyone else in there, so like we're undercutting them as they walk in. This is smart business strategy. This smart business strategy continued on pretty successfully until I was enlightened about God, racism, and the United States prison system by a random crackhead on the street. Would you be interested in any drinks?
All of them.
Would you be interested in any drinks for $1?
What planet are you on? Southsider, you're Northsider, and every time Dick and Harry, all prisons.
Would you be
racist?
Nonetheless, even with crackhead Joe in the background preaching the gospel of Luke, I was still selling drinks like I was El Chapo back in 1987. Have a great day, man. Thank you. Guys, we've been selling drinks, and to show you how good things are going, we only have Squirt left. Reyes is supposed to be coming pretty soon with the rest of the drinks. Hopefully he hurries up, because I don't think I'm going to be selling a whole lot until he pulls up next. After a quick conversation with my new friend to pass the time.
According to the word of God.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it's prophecy. You don't believe in it? Do you believe in it? You don't, see, that's where we're different.
Reyes showed up with the rest of the drinks to sell. Update, guys, Reyes came in clutch finally. We got a huge bag of drinks. We're gonna keep selling. Let's load them in the cooler, and hopefully we can get like all of these sold by the end of the day.
What's not selling? The Squirts?
Yeah, right now what's not selling is the Squirts. We're just gonna power through. Hopefully, if we can sell like most of this stuff,
Bro,
we'll be in the green.
If you already sold the first half,
$22 worth, I can sell the other half easy. And that's exactly what I did. Over the next hour, I worked my ass off to sell drink after drink after drink.
give me an update. Let me see inside the cooler. What we got?
Let's see. So you guys can see we're out of Gatorade. We got water, Squirt, and a little bit of Coke.
So you got
left.
2 waters. Water's definitely sold.
Yeah.
Coke, and the last thing is Squirt.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
We got a big sale right there. $4. We're making our way. Let's check out the cooler. We have 4 drinks left. And that's how sales ended off. To be honest, guys, I completely messed up filming the outro to this video on Santa Monica Pier since I miscounted how much money we actually made. That's right, we literally made so much money I couldn't even count it. But on a serious note, I just recounted everything and it looks like we made a total of $46 in cash. Of course, though, we had some expenses. We spent $24.45 on drinks inside of Walmart. And after all of that, our profit selling drinks comes out to $21.55.
If we were here all day, we would have made money.
If you guys want to see Reyes and I sell roses at this exact same location on Santa Monica Pier, please be sure to click the video on the screen and I'll see you in the next one.